No matter where you live on campus, you'll be close to all the action. Classroom buildings and campus resources are never far away. Our data shows that simply living on campus makes you more likely to have a higher GPA and more likely to graduate. We are committed to student success both inside and outside the classroom. Although each residence hall is unique, there are a few elements that are common in every hall. Each building has live-in staff members to help you along your university journey. There are undergraduate students serving as resident assistants on each floor. Your RA is there to help you transition to college and support you during the year with floor events and individual connections. We also have graduate students serving as assistant hall directors and full-time master's level professional hall directors that live in the building with you. All these live-in staff members are here to support you. There is always someone available to assist any time of day. All of our buildings have several safety features. Entrance doors are on a card access system. Your access card will allow you to enter different parts of your assigned building. All living areas and shared community spaces have smoke or heat detectors. All bedrooms have fire retardant mattresses and drapes. All of our residence halls have sprinkler systems, and our fire systems are tested annually. These features support our commitment to well-maintained facilities. Now that we've covered some things that are in every residence hall, let's get a closer look at them individually to see what makes them unique. Welcome to Heitz House. Heitz House is a 3-story residence hall on top of a 4-level parking garage featuring 2-person rooms with single-user private bathrooms on each floor. The parking garage at Heitz House is only available to residents of the building. All parking spots are assigned to specific residents. Parking in the garage is limited, but a standard surface parking lot pass is always available. When it is time to eat, make the short trip to the ground floor to visit Heitz Dining Center. Your meal plan also gives you access to Garst and Blair Shannon dining centers. The dining dollars component of your meal plan can be used at the food vendors at the Plaster Student Union, Meyer Library, and Glass Hall. Dining dollars can also be used at Market Cafe 1905, a convenience store located adjacent to the dining center entrance inside the building. On the 5th floor is the main lobby, where you can interact with the front desk. Operated 24 hours a day by full-time staff members as well as student workers. The front desk is where you can send and receive mail or packages, or check out sporting equipment, cleaning supplies, and kitchen equipment purchased by the building's Hall Council. You can also submit a work order or just have a question answered. The lobby of Heitz House features space for gathering. During the year, it's common to have students here at any time of day, studying or catching up with one another. It's also common to see students in our community spaces. Each floor has 2 large community areas, one in the middle of the north wing and one in the middle of south. These spaces are used for events for residents of the building and provide a place for residents to gather or to study. Each floor has a few smaller study areas with tables and chairs. These spaces are accessible 24 hours a day and are a close alternative to studying in your room, the larger community spaces, or the nearby Meyer Library. The Heitz House Computer Lab is located just off the main lobby. You'll have access to the computer lab 24 hours a day. If you have computing issues while you live on campus, contact the ResNet staff. Similar to the campus help desk, ResNet is a group of students and professional staff that can assist you with your computing needs. Unlike the campus help desk, ResNet is just for students that live on campus. Just down the hall from the computer lab is the community kitchen, equipped with a microwave, full refrigerator, and oven. The kitchen is a shared space, so please help us keep it clean and ready for your neighbors to use. In the middle of the building is an open-air courtyard accessible from the 5th floor. The courtyard is a great place to spend some time outside. Only residents of Heitz House have access to this amazing space. There is a laundry room on each floor of Heitz House, located in the southwest corner of the building. You can use the laundry room 24 hours a day. There is no need for coins as laundry is free. Just be sure to bring your own detergent and softener. Located throughout the building are single-user private bathrooms. Each bathroom has a toilet and standing shower, as well as access to a sink. Each bathroom is stocked and cleaned by our custodial staff on a regular basis. The Heitz House bedrooms have a mid-sized fridge and microwave. You and your roommate will each have a desk with drawer space as well as a whiteboard pull-out surface. There is also a small chest of drawers for each of you that can fit under your bed or wherever you choose to place it in your room. The Heitz House beds have a loft bed frame so they cannot be bunked. These adjustable frames can be raised or lowered. These are 80-inch, extra-long, twin-sized mattresses. Your desk and chest of drawers will all fit under your bed if you'd like to have a little more floor space. When connecting to the internet, you can either use the wireless network or an Ethernet connection. There are 2 Ethernet ports in each room. We recommend that you use the Ethernet port for gaming or high-quality streaming. We also have the MSU Home Device Network, which will allow you to connect wireless devices such as an Amazon Echo using a pre-shared key. We cut the cord and moved away from traditional cable. Students can watch TV on their computer, tablet, phone, or a TV by way of Roku. We recommend the Roku Ultra. You can stream over 80 channels using any internet-capable device while on campus. Your Philo account gives you 20 hours of TV recording time. If you have a favorite show that comes on while you're in class, set it to record and watch it later. The best part is that you and your roommate can watch 2 different shows at the same time on your individual Philo accounts. You will also have access to HBO Max through Philo. If you are looking to be involved while living on campus, consider joining Hall Council. Similar to student government, Hall Council is a great way to gain leadership experience. Each Hall Council holds events for the residents of their building during the year. They also purchase items that can be borrowed from the front desk. When you live on campus, you are a part of the larger Residence Hall Association student organization. Consider attending a meeting to have your voice heard, or go to one of their campus-wide events during the year. We are committed to creating communities where students can build and maintain connections with each other and the university. Finally, consider being a part of a living learning community. We have communities for students in similar majors, as well as for students with similar interests. Living learning communities are a wonderful way to enhance your already great decision to live on campus. We hope you enjoyed your tour. We look forward to seeing you soon.